All right, it's 6:48, and of course, one of our biggest headlines today, the weather. And we're tracking the severe weather alert for you as we're seeing the heavy rain lighting up the radar. You can see it falling in many of our cameras this morning as well, Michelle.
And I heard it while you're sleeping, too, last night, with some areas picking up an additional inch of rain just since midnight.
Wow.
So let's take a look at where we stand here for the school day forecast. Kids are going to need all that rain gear with cool temperatures, rain likely, not just at the bus stop this morning, but as they're heading home from school as well, with temperatures only climbing a few degrees into the middle and upper 60s. So a damp morning out there, rain falling at varying intensities. We've had some downpours at times that have led to some localized street and poor drainage flooding. You're going to want to watch for that as you head out on the roads in North Scituate. The rainfall's a little bit lighter closer to the coastline right now, but more rain going to lead our three key things. How much more? We could see as much as 1 to possibly 3-4 inches of rainfall in our area through the day today. Most of that starting to taper off after 5 or 6 o'clock this evening. We'll be watching our smaller rivers and streams. In particular, the Woonasquatucket River is seeing some minor flooding. That's up in Centerdale, and then drier mid to late week. Even tomorrow is an improvement, but getting back to some sunshine by Thursday. So 1.5 inches of rain in Smithfield overnight. Providence, you've picked up more than 1 inch of rain, in New Bedford with over 1 inch of rain. Meanwhile, Newport, just about 1/10 of 1 inch of rainfall since midnight. So really a story of haves and have-nots. Where we've seen the most significant flooding is in this area from northern Rhode Island into the West Bay, where places like Cranston have picked up over 9 inches of rain, over 6 inches in Providence, and parts of, again, Providence County. Looking right now at that area, rain's eased up from earlier this morning. The heavy rain that was moving over 295s has shifted further to the east, so it's more of a 495 area. And then up through Attleboro, Wrentham, and into the Boston region. We've had some flash flooding over southern Connecticut early this morning, where that heavy rain continues to fall there, and expect to see that rain lasting. So flood warning was issued until 11 o'clock in the morning for the region that's been hard hit in Rhode Island with those 3 to 9 inch rainfall totals. Otherwise, we've got a flood watch, which means there is the potential for some localized flooding. Temperatures low 60s, and again, only going to be seeing highs in the middle and upper 60s for today, with east winds at about 5 to 10 miles per hour. Here's our culprit front stalled over the area again for today. It finally starts to move south heading into this evening and tonight. So prior to that, plan on that rain continuing to fall heavy at times. Right now we're thinking the heaviest of the rain may stay more towards western New England, but any additional rain at this point will cause some issues. This is 7 o'clock in the evening. Notice the steady rain starting to taper some, so showers and drizzle later this evening and overnight tonight, and we wake up to that tomorrow morning too. It'll be a cloudy start to the day with a spot shower around, maybe a little peak of sun here and there late in the day on Wednesday. As for the bay today, we're looking at those east winds at about 5 to 10 knots, waves 1 to 2 feet, staying in the lower 60s for our overnight lows tonight. Then tomorrow, low 70s for highs, cloudy skies, but a drier day with just that chance of a spot shower around Thursday. Back to some sunshine, mid 70s, upper 70s Friday with sunshine. Beautiful weather this weekend in the low 80s.